guys, welcome back to I Make Vibe Cooking. In today's video, we're trying something new. Today, we're trying MRE, which is meal ready to eat. This type of meal, this is what people in the military eat. This is ready to eat. You don't need a microwave, you don't need a stove. Everything in here is ready to eat. So this is how it is. The menu we have today is spaghetti with beef and sauce. So this is how it looks. It is a pretty steady bag, heavy duty bag. Yeah, this is one person meal. So we're going to try it. I don't know if I cut it right. All right, for the moment of truth. Oh gosh, this is how it looks. This is actually my first time seeing this. Everything is packed in here. Okay, I'm not sure. This is the sauce, I'm guessing. Spaghetti. This is the sauce. This is what we're going to heat the sauce. I'm not sure which one, but we'll put this here. And this is the spaghetti. I can feel it. Actually, this is not the spaghetti. I thought it was the spaghetti. This is the baked snack crackers. They have crackers for you. And here. Okay, here you have, let me put this here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. All right, in here you have some napkins. Let's see. I can smell it. You have napkin, mint. This is Lighthouse. Not sure what that is. I'm pretty sure it's napkin. You have some wet towels. You have salt. And over here, this is a drink. This is lemonade. Basically, it's a lemonade. Powdered lemonade to make your drink. Wow. Here, this is peanut butter. Jesus Christ. Okay. Peanut butter. There's a lot of stuff in here. I didn't know it was gonna be that much. This is raisins. Little fruit, dry fruit for you. And here we have, what is that? This is multi-grain snack bread. This is a bread. Oh, Jesus Christ. Bread. And here, cocoa beverage powder. So this is like to make chocolate, hot chocolate. Cocoa beverage powder. And also we have strawberry jam here. You have a nice brown spoon. And this right here is to heat up the food. You put your food inside. I had to read the instruction because I have no idea how to use it yet. But you're gonna have to put your food in here. We're about to get ready to make the spaghetti. I've arranged stuff. This is the drink, this is the snack, and this is the spaghetti. We're about to make the spaghetti. This is the thing we're going to use to heat the spaghetti. Now I am going to tear that bag. Okay. All right, now I am going to add the spaghetti in here. This is so crazy. You know how you need a microwave to microwave your food, to heat up your food, but this is going to heat up in here basically. Ooh, having trouble, okay? We're going to add that in there real quickly. Okay. Now I have to add the water from this point right here. Pour the water in there. I wonder how hot it's going to be, okay? Pour that in there. I have to make sure I don't over. Whew, it's already making a sound like shh sound. And I have to fold this over. Fold it over. Put that in this pouch right here. Ooh, I'm having trouble, you guys. Fold it. Oh boy, really? Okay, there you go. Put it in here, and I'm gonna use this thing because you have to let it kind of sit up like this. But I'll put it over here because this needs to take about 10 minutes to heat up. So I am going to put it right here in the corner, and we're going to try the snack. I don't know which one should I try first. Let's try the drink so we can drink after. So the first drink I am making is the lemonade. This is the lemonade right here, and it's sugar-free too, so that's good. It said direction add and this is 16 ounce, but they said 20 ounce. Doesn't matter. I'm going to make the lemonade. Get in there. Wow. Okay. I'm really having trouble. It's really, really hard, like crumble together. Alright, that's enough because I can get the rest out. Hopefully it's sweet enough. Shake that. I guess it's because the water is cold. Should have done it with like room temperature water. Let me give it a try. Tastes like lemonade. It's not sweet enough. Not yet. Tastes like Minute Maid lemonade. Let's try the hot cocoa. So I'm gonna have to pour it in here. Direction. Alright, we're going to try the hot cocoa. Hopefully I don't make a mess with this. I might. Nope. I think it's perfect. Might go a little bit higher because I was supposed to fill it up till over here, but it doesn't matter. Shake, 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 shake. I'll get some nice hot cocoa. Alright. Ooh. Hot cocoa. I'll pour all of it. Alright, I'm gonna give this a taste, you guys. It's good. And I forgot to mention, you guys, all this right here can last up to 3 years. Literally 3 years. They will not go bad or expired. I forgot to mention. This is perfect. This is regular hot chocolate. It tastes good. Now I want to try the snack. Let's go with the, should I wait? Let me try the raisin. I'm gonna try the raisin now. So I can't wait. This thing is still heating up, so try the raisin. This is regular raisin. I love raisins. This is pretty good, you guys. Look at that raisin. Sweet. Oh, I can't eat all of it now. Now, I'm gonna try those crackers. Big snack crackers. Oh. It's like Cheez-It. Tastes good. They're regular food. Like, I thought it was gonna taste, you know, different. But it's just regular food. Regular snacks. Okay, next I'm gonna try, this is the bread. I'm going to try the bread. Ow. This is the bread, you guys. Whole wheat bread. It doesn't even feel like a bread. It looks like a Pop-Tart. But this is it. It's very doughy, like. So I'm gonna put some strawberry jam on there. Peanut butter jelly time. Maybe I'll put my peanut butter in there. That's enough. They give you a good amount for the bread, I guess. Peanut butter time. It's a lot of peanut butter, you guys. It's more than enough. Well, to me. It's a lot. I'm making a mess. Okay. That's a lot. I can't spread it out, you guys. That's a lot. I'm gonna give it a taste. This is it. That tastes good. That's good. It's whole wheat bread. You can see the little grains and stuff in there. Okay, I think that's enough because I have to try this. Hopefully it's done by now. Oh gosh. Okay, let's try it, you guys. It's hot. Yeah, it's pretty hot. Yeah, maybe 10 seconds, it's hot. Like, it's hot. I didn't know it was gonna be that hot. Wow. Okay, we're about to open this. I'm not sure I don't think, maybe if I mix it, because the bottom is hot and the top is not hot. It's like warm. Let me cut it. A little thing. There you go. Look, you guys. Spaghetti. This is beef flavored. Oh, it's hot. The bottom is hot. Yeah, this food can last up to 3 years. Can you believe that? 3 years. Oh gosh. I think I got it. Give it a try. I have to mix it because some of it wasn't hot. You can see the little beef pieces in there. This is how it looks, you guys. Hopefully it's hot. I'm about to taste it. All right. It's good. It wasn't, some of it is not, like I said, it's not hot, but it's good. I think this is enough food for one person. They give you a lot of stuff. Beef. It's pretty good. I don't even need to add salt. I think the salt is okay. That's it for me, you guys. I can't eat all of it, but it's good. It's tasty. This is it. It's pretty tasty. But now I'm gonna try. Why not try? They give you a mint and some napkin to wipe your mouth when you're done. Okay, that's fine. This is pretty good. Wet naps for your fingers, your hands, and a regular napkin. Salt. They didn't give any pepper though. Salt. Regular napkin. Everything is folded really nicely and small because the package was looking very small and there's a lot of food in there. There's napkins. Let me take another sip of this. And of course I gotta try mine next. Tastes like ginger. I will eat it on a regular day. I'm not a big fan of the spaghetti, but the bread was really good. Peanut butter is on point. Jelly is on point. This was on point. The lemonade, as well as the chocolate. The pouch, it was really hot. Maybe if I let it sit there longer, it would have been, the whole pouch would have been really hot, but it was really hot. I couldn't even hold my hand there for 10 seconds longer. That is it for you guys. That's the video. This is ready to eat meal, ready, or MRE, ready to MRE. MRE, meal ready to eat, basically. This is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want more videos like this one, leave your comment down below. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Be sure you are subscribed. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.